In this video, I will be doing a fairy garden for Halloween. It is that time of the year, the spooky season. Hope you all enjoy. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Fairy Garden Thursday 2023 with Grandma Sandy and other ladies that love to do fairy gardens. Today I'm going to work on a Halloween fairy garden since it's the spooky season. So I hope you enjoy my little ghost earrings. I bought them especially to wear for Halloween week. Always gonna have to have fun. See if it works good for everybody. And as you can see, I found this little what would you call it? Little caddy, I guess, at the thrift store. And I decided it would make a nice little Halloween, oops, sorry about the noise, a nice little Halloween vessel. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it all black. And I'm just using my chalk paint. And you've seen me paint a million times, so we'll get this all painted. Then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I got the front all painted. Now I'm going to switch to the sides and the back. Paint is doing a good job covering the wood. Okay, we got the back all painted, and I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to flip it over and make sure I get all the underneath parts so there's no wood showing. And this paintbrush is just from the dollar store. Seems to be working well. Okay. I have a couple of picket fence that I got at the Dollar Tree in Cranbrook. And I have my chalk paint, the white chalk paint, and I'm going to paint this little fence up that side too. So this isn't dry yet either, but I have some things else I want to paint. I got these at that same dollar store, and I'm going to paint them orange like pumpkins. I thought they were just pretty darn cute. Oh yeah, those won't take long to paint. at the dollar store. I'm sure I paid $1.25, and I think I got 4 in a package. And this is pretty much dry, so I'm going to set the fences aside. It's dry, so I want to paint those parts and under there. Okay, I found this material, which I thought looked perfect for ghosts. And I'm just ripping it because I just want little pieces. I'm going to make ghosts for my garden. And hopefully this will work. I haven't tried it yet. And I have these pegs. And I'm hoping I can make ghosts to put in the garden with the little fairies. Ta-da! Okay, I got 2 ghosts. That's good enough. See if we can cut the material to get it to fit the ghost. Oh, it cuts pretty easy. It's almost like a paper, which probably is. Okay, I took the material and I put it over the pin, and I took a piece of raffia and just wrapped it around where the head looked like a head and tied it together, and I cut them off so that they were the right size to fit in the fairy garden. And I put a couple of little eyes on them, and I thought they turned out pretty sweet. I'm going to put the fence right back there. But first, I have some lights. And I know I want, oh yeah, some glue in my fence. This side. There we go. So the fence is going to put some bales of hay. Store for $1.25 a package. Oh, I keep forgetting to. Yep. And you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for $1.25. Can't complain about that. And of course we'll put some pumpkins over here. We should put this one back a bit. There we go. Then we can put a pumpkin up here. A smiley little pumpkin on top. Okay. Just hold on to it. Make it stick. Okay, now we'll bring the little ghosty thing all down and around. Let's put this way. Oh no, I don't want you there. I want you out here. Come here, you. There we go. I want you way out here. Put the front. Ouch. There we go. Oops. See, we all kind of make little mistakes, and I just fool around. Just fool around with it till you get it how you want it. There we go. We got our 2 little ghosts in there. A pine cone on top of the wood. We'll glue it in and see what it looks like. Put that piece of wood there. And we'll put a pine cone right in there. kind of cute. Let's place a few more pumpkins around in here. I'm going to put one of the bigger fairies right in here. Get the glue off my fingers. I'm going to stand her out here. And this could be a mum. Let's see, does this one go better? And this could be a mum and the daughter looking at the jack-o'-lanterns. And she's so excited for Halloween. Of course, we'll put a pumpkin in it. Maybe we could get 2 pumpkins in there. That would be cute. Okay, that's glued. Now we'll go down the 2 bales of hay. And we'll glue down the basket of pumpkins. Okay. Get the rest of the moss in. Okay, I decided this little fairy's going to go right in here because she's going to be the lady that's selling the jack-o'-lanterns. And the little girl and mum are there to buy jack-o'-lanterns. Our finished little fairy garden for Halloween. We've got a fairy selling all her jack-o'-lanterns. And there's a mom and a little girl who are she's quite fascinated by these jack-o'-lanterns. And we have a couple of ghosts up top, just keeping the little fairy safe from any tricksters. So that's our fairy garden for this Thursday. Hope everybody has a happy Halloween. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. I'd like to thank Grandma Sandy, as usual, for sponsoring this video. I'd like to thank Grandma Sandy for hosting this video and always encouraging us to do our fairy gardens. And welcome any new subscribers. I really do appreciate you subscribing. And my subscribers that regularly watch me, thank you, thank you, thank you. You make my day. See you in the next video on Sunday. We're gonna visit a store. Ha ha ha.